Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and what I eat on keto coming up next. Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I'm so pumped today to do what I eat on keto, a full day of eating with keto diet and intermittent fasting. I'm super pumped, but first I've got a poll question for you. What is going well in your keto weight loss? Put in the comments below. I'm taking a poll. Inquiring minds want to know over here. And also when you're down there, if you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe to sign up for my to see my videos, and click that notification bell if you want to see all things keto, intermittent fasting, weight loss. If you want to keep seeing if I'm losing weight or not. Some people, that's just for their own personal but if you want some weight loss motivation, this is the place to be. So let's dive into what I ate on a full day of keto eating. What am I eating? Okay, so first, let me read before I go into everything. Disclaimer, if you're new, start tracking your macros. I will put how to calculate your macros, the link down below, so you know your own fat, your own protein. People frequently comment on my protein amounts and my fat amounts. Mine are gonna be different from yours. And on my weight loss journey, my significant weight loss journey, it has obviously changed. So today is a weird day. Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't know, I own 7 businesses, and I'm flying out from DC to Chicago to visit one of my clients, who's Stefan Speaks. If you haven't seen Stefan Speaks' YouTube, I help work that. He's one of my clients. So I'm flying to Chicago, and I'm going to show you everything that I ate on my Chicago trip. So I'm going to go down and visit my client. I ordered a whole bunch of waters too. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to go downstairs to help my client out.
Honesty is always best, because God forbid you would have told him no and would have came out later that you did, and that would have made things 100 times worse. Deal with dating and relationships because it's scary now. It doesn't.
Okay, so while I was in Chicago, on the plane, I did intermittent fasting, and I just had sparkling water, bottled water. I was doing intermittent fasting. Woohoo for intermittent fasting. If you don't know what intermittent fasting is, go check out some of my other intermittent fasting videos. But I had that, and then I got to my hotel before the event with Stefan Speaks, and I had asked you guys on Instagram, so if we're not buddies on Instagram or social media or Pinterest, go check me out. But I had to write it down. Lou it was in the video, Lou Maltiguez's. We don't have that here in Virginia, but I got y'all told me to get this, a pizza crust, but the crust was sausage, and you can get light tomato sauce, and I got cheese with pepperonis, extra pepperonis on top. Oh my gosh, it was mind-blowing. I'm trying to figure out how to make this easy keto meal at home, and that's my encouragement for you. How do you make sausage pizza crust at home? That's my new mission in life. If you have a good recipe, let me know of a source I should go to. But I was so excited about this keto pizza because I've done tons of videos. I have my own crust, my own chicken crust recipes. I've done tons of keto pizzas, but I never had a sausage crust. So props to Lou Malnatis, hopefully I said that right, for that awesome pizza meal. I then went to my event, and then flying back, literally I was flew there, flew home because I have a 4-year-old. I wanted to be there with him the next day to wake up with him. When I was flying beef jerky from Starbucks. It was 6 carbs for that thing, but man, was it filling. So I had that beef jerky, and I also got from Starbucks a Trenta iced coffee, no classic, which is the sweetener, so no sweetener, with a teaspoon or a tablespoon of heavy cream. They poured it more heavy with the cream than I wanted it, but it was still really good. So that kept me full on my way home, and I was able to have that, and then got to hang out with my family. And so that was my keto day of eating. But I felt like that's a quick video, so I wanted to show you my next day of what I eat on keto for weight loss. And so I want to show you a couple of more things. I'm so excited for my pumpkin spice latte. I just brewed some Starbucks coffee. Gonna put that in there. I'm gonna use my pumpkin spice grass-fed ghee coconut oil. This does have in it organic stevia, so if you're fasting, it would stop technically your fast. Together. I'm so excited. Look, I get to be part of fall with my pumpkin spice latte. So I had my awesome Omega, it's my pumpkin spice. If you haven't seen my pumpkin spice video for keto pumpkin spice, I will put the Omega Power Creamer pumpkin spice flavorings down below. It is awesome. It is good. It is way less carbs. This has no carbs in it. Whereas the Starbucks one, I think it has like 52 grams of sugar or 52 grams of carbs, one of the two. Either way, it's a diabetic nightmare. If you're trying to lose weight, it will spike your insulin out the yin yang, even though it tastes so good. So this tastes so good, but not with the so good. Next, I wanted to get a workout in, so you can see my dork self lifting some weights. I felt from flying makes me puffy. Put in the comments below, does it make you feel puffy? It made me feel puffy, so I wanted to get a good workout in while still doing my intermittent fasting. This does, y'all will have, I'm sure you guys will ask me. It has in the ingredients, does it have sweetener? It does have sweetener. So this technically would break an intermittent fast. So being mindful of that, my intermittent fasting technically stopped when I had this, but it's awesome, and I'm gonna change the light. So this is going to be the easiest keto meal. This was from Costco, my organic zucchini spirals. I'm gonna fry up some steak. Get this put down. I put some avocado oil down. This is the avocado oil I got from my Aldi keto grocery haul. I'm gonna go ahead and add my spiral zucchini into here and start frying this up for about 5-6 minutes and get super simple. Plop it in there. Directions say cook for 5 or 6 minutes, and I will just flip this around and turn over my steak. So my zucchini noodles are going. I'm gonna go ahead and start making my Countess Alfredo sauce, getting my steaks wrapped up. This is good. The only thing is I don't have, for my ingredients, my cream cheese. I just have my Parmesan and my heavy cream. Of course, organic is best. We do know that, but these will be the ingredients, part of them, for my Countess Alfredo sauce once my zucchini keto noodles are done cooking. So I like to squish out all the water. I don't like wet noodles. So I squish them all out so it's pretty dry before I put my Alfredo sauce on them. Aren't these flowers beautiful? So I'm gonna get this all dried up and then put my Alfredo sauce on them. And then I just simply mix my noodles into my Alfredo sauce, and then this keto side is totally done. Looks delicious. So since I had been on the road, I wanted to have keto meal at home. It was so stinking good. It was steak with Alfredo and the zucchini noodles. I got those zucchini spiral noodles from my Costco keto haul. You can make your own if you have a Zoodler, whatever those crank things. So I had that with my Countess Alfredo sauce, which is just butter, cream cheese, Parmesan, and heavy cream. Do you guys want me to do a video on that? Put in the comments below. I don't think I have a video. I've done videos with it incorporated, but not its own video. So if you want the keto recipe, it's an easy keto recipe. I can do a video on that. Tell me in the comments. But I just simply had steak and then that as my zucchini with the Alfredo sauce. So filling, so good. After my workout, I was like, and it was a good keto lunch. I've been looking through a couple of my books. I've been needing some extra motivation and encouragement, and my homegirl, Maria Emmerich, has written so many books. I have her books. She didn't send them to me, although I want her upcoming book to be sent to me. But I bought these, the Keto Instapot and then the Keto Comfort Foods. I will put these in the description link below. I'm looking for some motivation and inspiration, and I feel like Maria, homegirl, just hits it. Like, she has Mexican meatballs. She's got, and their Instapot meals, smoky baby back ribs. She's got in here gumbo, lemony fish with asparagus. So I always get ideas when I get somewhat stuck in a keto food rut. Having done this for over 2 years, I sometimes need extra motivation and keto comfort foods. Like, I don't know, I'm excited to look through some of these and pick out like steak with a blue cheese whip. I want to make some blue cheese whip. That sounds amazing. Like, Maria has the best ideas. Oh, she has the enchilada, a skillet. I'm making this tonight. It's a skillet enchilada casserole. Making this tonight. So the comfort food book and also the Instapot book, I'll put those in the description link below. If you find you need something, like, does anyone else, like, I mean, like, YouTube does it for me, but sometimes I want tactilely, not even on my Kindle, because I have a Kindle, but like a physical pages. I want pages. Am I the only whack job like that wants pages to see the pictures and stuff? Anyways, I'm doing that because I wanted some extra keto weight loss motivation today. It's not for my full day of eating keto, but I did want to see some extra motivational things. So I double checked to make sure that my fish is cooked, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the broiler for 2 or 3 minutes to get the top part nicely coated and crispy. For my keto dinner, I have my fish bake. If you didn't get this week's weekly Wednesday keto diet meal plan, I put in it all the fixings for this. So I love fish bake. It's super simple. It's super easy. Sesame Street chef here myself can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. It was so good. It was good, high fat, moderate protein, low carb. And of course, the keto diet for beginners, track your macros to figure out your high fat, your moderate protein. And then of course, low carb is 20 net carbs or 20 carbs or under. So that was it for me that day. But then let me show you what happened next. So if you've gotten this far in the video, you've watched for a while and you can see my under eye makeup, but I am really wanting to eat, like, rummage through my pantry. So I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to get my magnesium from the Epsom salts. I'm going to stop, pray, and not eat. I'm not going to eat my feelings, whatever's going on that's causing this reaction for me to binge eat. And I'm going to use some eye makeup wipes to get this off my eyes. Anyways, this is Royal Weight Loss Meets Real Life, and like, this is real life right now of me not eating even though I really, really want to. So y'all, I even have days where I want to eat. I want to eat, and I'm not immune to that. Some people I think that I'm immune to that. I don't. I battle it sometimes multiple times daily, and then sometimes I don't battle it for weeks at a time. But here's my solution. So my solution is literally submerging my hands in an Epsom salt bath. The Epsom salts are for the magnesium, which we need on the ketogenic diet, but it's also for the physical and mental component of my hands are literally in water and I cannot eat. Any late night snackers out there, can you relate to me? I have had late night snacking the past few days prior to this video, and like, I'm human and I'm still learning and I'm still on this keto weight loss journey. Even though I lost a good chunk of weight, I still am learning. And so for me, I had to default to having an Epsom salt bath. I will put in the link down below. I get my Epsom salts delivered by Target or Amazon. I'll put both down below depending on which one's cheaper. I look to see which one's cheaper because sometimes they are either Target's cheaper with the Epsom salts or Amazon's cheaper with the Epsom salts. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and make sure you're signed up for my Weight Loss Wednesday, my free keto diet meal plan each week to you as weight loss encouragement and weight loss inspiration and weight loss motivation to help keep you on the keto journey, right? Like, we don't have to do this by ourselves. If you find you need extra encouragement, I do have the Royal Court Weight Loss Group where we all come together and encourage each other. So that will be in the description link below too. So your question of the day is, what is going well in your keto weight loss journey? I want to know. Put down your victories down in the comments below. I'm taking a poll. What is going well in your keto weight loss journey? And let's make it a powerful day. Bye, guys.